So in June of that year, 2016, hackers attacked the DAO based on these vulnerabilities. And the hackers were able to gain access to 3.6 million Ether, which was at that time worth $50 million. It's not anymore. And that provoked a massive argument and lots of division among the Ethereum community, and also influenced the fact that Ethereum forked into Ethereum and Ethereum Classic not much later on. And that's why there are now two Ethereums, as you probably know if you're interested in cryptocurrency, and that you do know now if you didn't already know. So to chart a new territory and build a new system of regulation and corporate law negotiation process is, you know, pretty cool, right? And that's what they were trying to do with the DAO. And it didn't really work out though, because their support at this point had dropped, and also all the risks were just too large with the fact that it was trying to do something that hadn't been done before. With so much money involved, obviously hacking was going to be the result of that, and that's what led to its ultimate situation.